How to hide emo notifications from lock screen. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio. So if you want to completely hide all notifications from emo in the lock screen, then here is how you can do this process. This video is going to be super interesting, but before start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to hide emo notification from lock screen, you just should open up the emo application from your phone, and from the emo homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. And from the profile, simply go ahead and tap on the settings option, and inside the settings, tap on notifications. And once you're here inside the notifications, go ahead and tap on the friends messages option inside the communications. So I'm going to tap on friend messages, and inside this one, if you scroll down, you'll get to see the option lock screen notification. It's currently turned on. You just need to toggle off this option, and once you do that, you'll get to see your email lock screen notification will be hidden from here. From now, no notification will be pop up in the lock screen. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.